wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Kids, we're back and doing science! 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 Science!
Science! You stopped.
Every time, kids, every time. She keeps on going and going and going and going and going.
But it's so fun. Why wouldn't you want to just scream science basically all day long? Yeah.
No.
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 Only because you get tired at a certain point. Like otherwise, you could just scream science, 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 science.
Kids, do you want to know what we're going to be doing today?
Vince.
There we go. Now you can hear me.
Oh, were you talking?
Yeah, I was
Sorry.
talking. And the kids are waiting for us
Oh,
to start the experiment.
okay.
This is actually your experiment. We're
Yeah.
doing something that you really, really wanted to do, so kids can also follow a certain aspect of this lesson for all of our crafts projects.
Yeah.
It'll make our crafts projects a little bit easier, right?
That's why I was so excited about it.
Yeah, so why don't you tell us?
Okay, kids. So today we're going to learn about the color wheel through chromatography.
There are a lot of colors up there on our solar planet, and if you can see, I have a lot of markers right here.
Yep.
That are all different types of colors. Well, it looks right now. It looks like it's all black. Hold on. Now you can see.
There you go. All different colors.
So what are we doing with all of these markers?
Can I tell you about colors first?
Oh, okay. Sorry, I keep on wanting to.
You're just
because
so excited.
No, actually, I think what you're going to say is boring, so.
Wow. That's rude. I listen to you when you talk about science.
I'm sorry, Olivia. That was rude.
Yeah, maybe I won't do it now.
Oh, please.
Yeah, but
I'm so sorry.
I don't know. Do you really want to do it though, Noah?
I do, because I don't know anything about colors, and I'm sorry. Colors express emotions, and I was not good about the way I just expressed my emotions.
Yeah, you made me feel a little bit sad with my emotion for a moment.
What color did that make you feel?
It made me feel blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Kids, have you heard that? If you feel blue, that means you feel sad.
Yeah.
So...
But you do want to do my experiment?
I do want to do your experiment.
Yay! That makes me feel happy!
So,
yeah.
Whoa. And you know what the emotion of a happy color is?
Yellow! Like
exactly.
the sun!
It is, just like the sun.
Because the sun is sunny, and sunny is kind of happy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wonderful. What other colors work for emotions and meanings?
Well, red, for example, expresses love, but also danger.
Danger?
Yeah.
How does it express danger?
Well, have you ever seen a stop sign when you've been driving in the car?
Oh, yeah. When Mom and Dad are driving, I see, red stop sign.
Yep, it's a warning. Stop.
Because if you don't stop, something bad could happen.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's when the cars come from other directions, huh?
Exactly, because you want to make sure that you can drive before another car is there.
That makes sense. Ooh, yeah, that's very, very neat.
But red can also mean and express the emotion love.
Oh, love.
Yep.
Yep.
You know, when you draw a heart,
Yeah.
you always paint it red, right?
Yeah, I do.
Because that's an expression of love.
Oh, yeah. I like hearts and love.
Yep. And then we have green, just like your t-shirt.
Oh,
What is that one, Dean?
Well, green expresses hope, growth, and nature.
Oh, like plants because they're green and they grow up.
Exactly.
Oh, that's very nice.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a positive color.
It's a positive color.
Yeah,
So,
very nice.
but you know what?
What?
I always mix up the colors wrong. I don't know, like if I mix, what is it? Blue with red. I think I get green, but that's wrong. And then I put yellow into black, and then that doesn't work. So, can you help the kids out there and tell them how to mix colors correctly and why that works?
Yes, I can tell you how to mix colors.
Yay! Thank you, Olivia.
Okay, so to talk about colors, up on our board, we're gonna put the color wheel. Whoa. Neat.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. The color wheel shows us how colors are related to each other. It reminds artists how to mix colors. Isn't that neat?
Yeah, and you're an artist.
So the color wheel, we have 3 primary colors. That means most basic.
The most basic. Can I guess them?
Yes, please.
I learned this from you.
Oh, good.
So one of them is red.
Yep, red.
Red. The second one is, I think yellow.
Yellow, yep.
Yep. Okay, and then the third one is blue.
Yep, blue, your
Yay!
favorite color. Yay!
You taught that to me.
Oh, I'm glad you remembered that.
Yep.
Cool. So the primary colors can't be made from other colors. That's why they're the basic ones. Yep. But the primary colors can be mixed to make other colors. Yeah.
I didn't realize that's a scientific experiment. That I always thought that this is like artsy, crafty magic.
It's both.
It's both.
It's both.
It's both.
Yep.
Okay.
So on the color wheel, the way you can remember what colors make what color, Noah, is by which ones are next to each other. So you have red and it's next to blue. And if you mix red and blue, then you get purple.
Like purple like this.
Yep, purple like that.
Oh.
And then you have blue and yellow. And if you mix those, you'll get green.
Oh, green. Like this marker here.
Yep. And then you have, yep, like that one.
Okay.
Yep. And then you have yellow and red. And if you mix those, you get orange.
Orange, just like that planet over there.
Yep. Yep. And then artists, they can take that, which is like the secondary color wheel.
Yes. Okay,
So
secondary.
it's the second colors you make.
Second.
And they can mix those colors and make all sorts of new colors. Isn't that neat?
Whoa.
Yeah. So today, what I'm going to show you
Wait.
is the... Yeah?
I have one question.
Okay.
What about the color black? Do you know that?
I don't remember.
Black is the absence of color and is therefore not a color.
Oh, yeah. I remember that because black is the absence because white. Do you know that one?
Yes.
Do you want to say it?
It's a blending of all colors and is a color.
Yep. So it's all the colors because like the sunlight has all the colors in the rainbow in it.
Yeah, kids,
Wow.
you remember our episode about the different wavelengths of sunlight and everything and it makes white light?
Yep.
If you don't remember, check that video out.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Ooh, yeah. It sounds like everybody learned a ton. I know I did.
Cool. Well, I think that's it for today's show, kids. Thank you for watching Dream Again and see you next time! Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.